Welcome, let's figure out how to differentiate the absolute value of x. This relies on understanding that the absolute value of x is equivalent to the square root of x squared. Now, in case you're not convinced why that is so, just do a graph and then you'll see it pretty easily. So here, let me show you a graph of why this is true. Just graph the absolute value of x, and also graph, for example, in a different color, say the square root of x squared, and look carefully. When I graph the two, do you see how they overlap perfectly everywhere? You cannot tell them apart, in other words. So that means when you differentiate, what you can do is you can replace the absolute value of x with just the square root of x squared this way. And then you can use the chain rule to do the derivative. This would be the same as differentiating here x squared raised to the 1/2. And then you apply the power rule and chain rule, so it's going to be 1/2 down, and then x squared on the inside. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And then you multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is x squared this way. Then you continue, so it's going to give you here 1/2, and then x squared raised to the negative 1/2. And then derivative of x squared is 2x this way. What you can do next is this 2 here can clearly be cancelled with this 2 in this position right here. And then you end up with the following. X on the top, and on the bottom what you have is x squared to the negative 1/2. That would become the square root of x squared in the bottom. Remember, however, this is the same by definition, as you can see there, as the square root of x squared can be replaced with just the absolute value of x. This is true assuming x here is not equal to 0 because we don't divide by 0. So in other words, the derivative of the absolute value of x is x divided by the square root of x, as long as x is not 0. And that is it. So please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.